Hello, my friends. We're already 4 weeks into 2026, and I want to start with a simple question. Who doesn't want to achieve financial freedom? Well, it's a rhetoric question. We all want to be free and to do what we like and enjoy. But how? Well, I don't know the answer to this question because it's not a straight one. But I know I've started a Discord server named Financial Freedom to find answers and help everyone achieve their freedom if it's possible. We kinda share new projects, we discuss them, we find out insights, we share knowledge, we try to stay on top of the game as much as we can. But what is this server different than other servers alike? I hear you asking. Well, we're free to talk about anything. Mostly I'm presenting do-it-yourself projects with potential for the future. We create easy to follow guides. For example, if you didn't know, there's a new uprising depin project named Mast Chain, the wing bits for ships or boats, as I call it. They accept do-it-yourself stations for now, so I've released a lot of insights in its specific thread. I've created a specific Mast Chain Docker container to be used on any machine that supports, well, Docker containers. I've even published an article on Medium about dual mining, if I can call it dual mining, Mast Chain and wing bits on the same device, forking a wing bits build for this scope. I have a complete guide about earning a bit of money using Docker containers, mostly different bandwidth sharing projects. A new uprising project named Wizardgain in the list, founded on January the 3rd this year, pretty new. A very detailed setup about UR network, another fairly new project. An easy to use script for the ant gain bandwidth sharing project, another new project. In addition, NeutronX validators. All the projects all together could bring us some earnings depending on how many devices and IPs are used. How's that saying? Small on top of small makes tall. I don't know what the There's also this guide about earning using proxies. Of course, there is always the do your own research part when you have to do your research, but this is a guide, it's not an endorsement. There are more guides in the server, and me and the guys add more from time to time. I guess you should just come and check them for yourselves. You're all welcomed. I don't want to make this video longer than necessary. So you should know, I'm not recommending projects. I don't sugarcoat any of them or endorse participating in any of them. I'll show you how, meaning how to do it, but the decision will be yours and yours alone. If I see actions that don't benefit the community in a project, I'll always state the issues without shame. I'll point out all the shady stuff I find out about, and that will be in a free public chat for everyone to see. I don't hide behind a finger. Which finger? So if you're a freedom fighter, you seek that financial juicy relief, you want to be part of a community that can freely state their mind regarding whatever projects or even more, or only you want to have some fun, because fun should be part of the process. We mine for fun. Come join my server. We are almost 100 people here. Let's engage in some cool discussions and find out the recipe of sustained freedom, if possible. Thank you very much for watching.
Freedom's a word they don't want us to name. We want financial freedom, yeah, that's the call. From rise to fall, through the cracks in the wall. We dream it, believe it, repeat it like truth. Pass it down as to the next gen of youth. We want financial freedom, more time, more life. We want all of it now, not in the afterlife. We stand together, our mission's not random. True independence, real financial freedom.